Today we are going to talk about garage door maintenance. Several parts need to be checked during maintenance. We'll start by opening the door and see how it works. The first thing we currently see is that this door needs lubrication. Let's close it again. I'll show you the parts. We're going to look at the door to make sure it is working properly. Amongst the important parts to inspect, there is the cables, the rollers, make sure they are good, the hinges and their bolts, the springs. We should lubricate them so that they work better. The electric door opener, the roller chain must have the right tension and be well lubricated. Check also the attachment to the garage door. During the inspection, technicians will make sure that the garage door sections are in good condition. They will also check the motor attachments to the ceiling, making sure they are solid. They're going to verify the green and red traffic light systems so that the co-owners know if they can drive through or not. Now, we will check the safety reversing sensors, which allow the door to stop and go back up when it's closing. We also need to verify the passage doors in condominiums. Make sure they open and close well and the panic bar functions well. It must stay closed at all times. Once a year, we must check the fire doors, which means doing what we call a fire test. To do that, we let the door close completely by itself by gravity. We then pull it back up. In reality, it is not the fire, but the heat that will activate that security system and make the door close. The main purpose of the fire door is to prevent the wind from spreading the fire elsewhere in the building. Safety also includes the maximum height of the column guards, traffic lights, and speed bumps. It assures every co-owner protection. If you need a specialist to maintain and repair your garage door, contact us for an estimate.